Good morning. So, I'm going to discuss about a topic I, which is comes another chapter, Windows of Knowledge. We all know that I, it is a sense organ. It is a major sense organ in the human body. Okay, it is a sense organ that evokes sensation and it is help in vision. How they are help in the vision. So the light that is reflected from the object that is enter into the eye. Okay, some of the photopigment that is present in the retina, they are absorbed these reflected eyes. Okay, and the light rays are transformed into the electrical signals, and these electrical signals are get into the brain by the help of optic nerve, and the signals that is get in back to the eye, and that is why we can see the images. Okay, so the light rays are that is passed through the eye cornea and they are enter into the retina. Okay, the photopigment cells that is present in the retinal region, they are absorb these light rays and they are converted into the electrical signals, and these electrical signals get into the brain by the help of these kind of optic nerve, and the signals get back into the eye, and that is why we can see the images. Okay, so we all human beings have two eyes, the right and left eyes. Okay, and these eyes are fixed into the eye socket. Eye socket, it is a nothing but it is a depression in the skull. We can imagine, or we see a picture of a skull. In the place of eye region, we can see the two depressions. Okay, like a concave depression, we can see that, and this depression is known as eye socket. Eyes are fixed into this eye socket by the help of these kind of external eye muscles. Okay, by surrounding the eyes, we can see the eyebrows, eyelashes, and eyelids. These also they all are involving the protection of eye. Okay, eyebrows, we can see that the upper region of the eyes. Okay, numerous of tiny hairs that is present in the eyebrow regions. Okay, eyebrows are prevent the moisture and light that is entering into the eyes. Okay, eyebrows are like a shadow. They are um, help to helps to prevent the light or the fluid content that is entering into the eyes. Okay, and the next one is eyelashes. Eyelashes are the present in the low edges of the eyelids, and the eyelashes are also help for the preventing some kind of dust particles or other external particles into the eyes. And the third one is eyelids. Okay, we can see that it is nothing but it's a fold of skin that is present in our eye region. We having lower eyelids and upper eyelids. These also are for help for the protective function. Okay, they are also prevent the entering of some particles. Okay, some dust particles like that. Okay, we are know that we can suffering from any kind of environmental disturbance, we are suddenly close our eyes. It is also a preventing function, so eyelids are help for the prevention. Okay, and the next one is conjunctiva. Conjunctiva, it is protect the anterior part of the eye. Conjunctiva, which produce some kind of mucus. These mucus which are help for the prevent the microbial entrance into the eyes. Okay, tears is also do the same function. They are cleanse and lubricate the anterior part of the eye. Okay, tears are the fluid portion that is comes from the eyes. These are help for the cleansing the any kind of bacteria or dust that is present in the eye, that is present in our eyes. So these are some part that is seen in our eyes and their functions. The next one is the layers of eye. Okay, we can see that eye having three layers. Majorly eye having three layers. The first one is sclera, and second one is choroid, and third one is retina. Sclera is the outer layer. Okay, outermost layer is known as sclera. Okay, these blue colored layer, these are the outermost layer. This is known as sclera. Okay, the second one is choroid. The red colored middle layer is known as choroid, and third one is known as retina. This yellow colored layer is known as retina. Okay, the middle layer is known as choroid. Choroid contain numerous of blood vessels. These blood vessels which is produce which gives a numerous amount of oxygen. Okay, oxygen is help for the maintaining or performing the function of the eye. Okay, we all know that all the cells in our body which needs the oxygen for performing their function. So in the eye region, choroid provides the enough blood vessels, and enough blood vessels, from the blood vessels we can provide the enough oxygen to the eyes for performing their function. Okay, in the retinal region we can see the numerous of photopigments. We already said that the light rays that are entering into the inner eye region, and the photopigments that is present in the retinal region absorb these light rays and convert into the electrical signals. These electrical signals are passed into the brains, and that is why we can see the images. So photopigments, numerous of photopigments that is present in the retinal region. Okay, so layers of eyes which is having three layers: sclera, choroid and retina. Sclera are the outermost layer. Okay, the choroid is the middle layer. The middle layer which is consist of a numerous of blood vessels. These blood vessels produces the enough oxygen, and they are for performing the eye. Okay, which helps to performing the function of the eye. And the third one is retina. Retina which is consists of a lot of photopigments. These photopigments are help for the vision. Next one is the parts of eye. Okay, we know that the outermost layer, this blue colored outermost layer, is known as sclera, and it is comes to the anterior region. They are modified into transparent structure which is known as cornea. Okay, the light rays are enter into the transparent structure which is known as cornea, and they later enter into the iris region. Okay, iris are present behind the cornea. They are pigmented region because it is contain the melanin pigment. Okay, so the center of the iris we can see the pupil. Okay, the pupil which is actually decreases and increases their sizes by the intensity of the light. Okay, according to intensity of the light, if the intensity of light are increases, the size of the pupil get decreases. There is by we can reduce the amount of light that is entering into the eye. Okay, so intensity of the light is increases, the pupil get decreases, and the intensity of light decreases, the pupil of size of the pupil get back into the normal. Okay, so by adjusting the size of the pupil, we can adjust or we can maintain the amount of light that is entering into the eyes. Okay, so this is the function of pupil. And behind the pupil we can see the convex lens. Okay, human eye we can see the convex lens. These convex lens are helps to focus the light into the retinal region. So that is why the photopigments that is present in the retinal region, they are absorb these light rays. Okay, so the lens are fixed by the ciliary muscles. And the second point is yellow spot and blind spot. Okay, yellow spot and blind spot both are present in the retinal region. Okay, yellow spot which contains a numerous of photopigments, and they are helpful for the photovision. And the blind spot which is having which have not contain any kind of photopigments, and even the lights are focused into the blind spot, we can't see any kind of images. Okay. Third one is optic nerve. Optic nerve, we already said that the photopigments are absorb the light rays, and they are converted into electrical signals, and these electrical signals are go to the brain by the help of these kind of optic nerves. So these are the parts of eye. Next one is fluids in the eye. Okay, we can see the two fluid region in the eye regions. The first one is the aqueous humor, and second one is vitreous humor. Aqueous humor, that is present in between the lens and cornea. Okay, the anterior chamber, and this anterior chamber that is filled with the aqueous humor. The second one is the vitreous humor, that is in between the lens and the retina. Okay, the aqueous humor which is formed from the blood, and they are nourish the anterior region. They provide the enough oxygen elements to the eye regions. The second one is vitreous chamber. vitreous chamber that is filled with the vitreous humor. Okay, that is seen in between the lens and the retina. They are jelly like substances and they are help for the maintaining the structure of eyeball. So these are the two fluid region that is present in the eye. They are the aqueous humor and vitreous humor. Aqueous humor that is formed from the blood, that is provide the enough oxygen elements and also help for the nourishment. And the second one is the vitreous humor that is present in between retina and lens. They are jelly like substances, so that they help for maintain the structure of eyeball. So these are the common description about the eye, common ideas about the eye that is present in the Windows of Knowledge chapter. Thank you.